Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to prepare deep fried mozzarella stick. This one is a 450 gram weight, right? So I'm gonna cut open the wrapping. And then I'm gonna just cut this into stick size pieces. 3 inches long, 1/2 inch thick. So I'm gonna cut that right down. So like that. Now that we have the cheese cut up, I'm going to show you how to make the breading that the sticks are coated in. For the breading you'll need 2 cups of panko breadcrumbs. And panko breadcrumbs is a Japanese style breadcrumbs. They use only the white inner part of the bread. So the crust is not used in this process. Hence why the breadcrumb is this white. Quite nice on a lot of things. To start the coating, we're going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Gonna go in with 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, and 1 teaspoon of dried basil, Parmesan cheese. Now we're just gonna mix that all together. Alright, now I have all of this incorporated. Gonna set this aside. I'm using for the batter 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to 1/4 cup of milk. Just gonna sprinkle a bit of all-purpose in there, just so the sticks have flavor right throughout. And the reason why I'm doing this, when I dip the cheese in here, they sort of coat and make it easier for the breadcrumb to stick onto the cheese. So that's the consistency you're looking for. Not too thick, not too thin. Nice runny batter. Alright, now I'm gonna assemble them and show you how we prepare it for frying. So I'm gonna transfer my panko breadcrumb into a large plate. I have here 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna add just a pinch of salt and pepper to that. Mix that in. So this is the cycle that we're taking it from. So the cheese is here, then we have the flour, batter, and then the breadcrumb. So I'm gonna go in my flour, just gonna coat the cheese sticks. We're doing this so that the batter can stick onto the cheese stick easier. And then top off the excess. And we're gonna dip that straight into our batter mix. And just ensure that it coats it right around. And shake the excess butter from the cheese. Just place it down like that. And you coat it. Ensure to keep one hand clean so that you don't have a lot of lumps in your breadcrumb. Just cover it like that, right around. Give it a press. Turn it over. And repeat. And then now we're going to double coat this. Because we don't want when we start frying it, the cheese come oozing out real quick. So we'll just go back over to our flour, dip that in, shake the excess flour off, back into the batter, tap the excess off, and back into the crumb. Tap the excess off, and there you have it. Nice mozzarella sticks. We're going to repeat this process until all our cheese sticks are coated. I had to make up a bit more coating just so I could give it the double coating, but there you have it. And just before you fry these, you can pop them right into the freezer 10 to 15 minutes just to firm up a bit. They're all ready and good to go. Now we're going to drop these in our fryer until golden brown and the cheese melted. So forward, let me show you what I'm going. We want our oil to come up to a temperature of 320 degrees Fahrenheit just before we put the sticks into fry. As soon as these become golden brown, just pull them right out. You don't want that cheese to ooze in the oil, and ensure that the oil is hot enough before you put them in, because a cold oil is just going to delay the frying process and get them very soggy and break easily. Just going to turn these over real quick. Alright, we're going to remove these right away and then repeat the process until the remainders are finished. Because remember, you have to do this real quick. You don't want them to ooze. And there you have it, deep fried mozzarella sticks done here on Morris Style Cooking It. And these can be served up with some nice warm marinara sauce. And trust me, you're in for a treat. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go on, big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me. Cause I need any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.